My name's Robert Casorso. I'm fourth generation farmer on our original homestead, which was established in 1883 by my great-grandfather, Giovanni Casorso. Where we're looking right now, this wetland where we draw water to irrigate our farm with, was one of the first water licenses ever pulled off of Mission Creek. It was back in the mid-80s, I believe, and we've been using this system since back then. Well, as every farmer knows, you can't farm without water. And when you don't have enough rain, you have to supplement your crops with irrigation water. This system here that my dad established in 1970, it irrigates 30 acres of pears, apples, and grapes. With Farmland Advantage, they've helped us to try to regain our water rights to Mission Creek, access to Mission Creek, which right now the intake is blocked off. We are currently getting water through our wetland from our neighbor, from Rumor Creek. That's our only source of income. We don't have access to Mission Creek water anymore because of fallen trees and stuff like that. BC Farmland Advantage has done is they've come in and helped us redo our channels, build a bridge so we can access front and back, plus also make sure that it's done right for wildlife, fish, and all the other stuff. It's nice to get some funding because it would be a way more expensive project. They've helped with the paperwork, dealing with different government agencies. Yeah, it's been very, very helpful. I couldn't have done it without them, that's for sure. I probably wouldn't have attempted it. I think my great-grandfather, Giovanni, would be very proud that we're continuing on with the farm. This was part of the original settlement. It's funny because sometimes, you know, when I'm working on the land and stuff, you think, I wonder if they'd be happy with what I'm doing. And it's about the continuation of the farm, right? And I think that's what drives us. There's not much money in farming, but to see that we're trying to restore it, we're trying to keep the history going, keep the farming going, I think you'd be proud.